We had to change a lot of stuff.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Engineer.
Portal's up, coming back, by the way.
I wanted another bomb.
Oh, we fucked up a bomb?
No, we're fine. He's just
Okay.
low.
Okay.
He's fine.
Yeah, it's like okay, try to move in a little closer. So, because the grip keeps failing. That was on the derpy side of me.
There. Spray.
Oh, he's really fine, yeah.
Traps are up.
MC's breaking.
Leave that one alone. Leave him alone.
We have everyone on the high. We got the bomb. We're good. Alright, get off the high one. Get off. Get off it.
Security guards.
Get on.
He's about to break now.
MC's breaking.
Over here. Blink whenever had.
You can kill it.
Security
Stunning.
guards.
I'm breaking this one too.
Kill.
Get him out of there.
Alright, rest bar.
Come on, guys, can't get him.
Hey, run the. Don't break the trap. Don't break that trap and run to the.
Man, am I keeping that up the whole time?
Just for now. So retrap it once and it'll be fine. Move.
That's got it.
Can I get the fox? One shot.
Foreman's on me.
Thank you.
Move.
Break that M. Don't break that CC.
So,
Move.
move.
Hey, oh my god. Come on, dude. Push the bomb under. Yeah.
I'm breaking it now.
Move square in.
Move square.
Watch the bombs.
Rise bar, smoke bomb.
Yeah, that's fine.
Everyone, no primal elementalist.
We're gonna have a bomb pouch under the boss. There's a bomb pouch under the elementalist. Go towards the wall.
Kill Scott.
Towards the wall.
Fine. It's dead.
Nothing for this blast.
Can I keep circle here or no?
Yeah, sure.
I'm devoting
Fire
next.
Get him up.
Move it in, Mercs, a little.
Yeah, I
Kill fire collars.
got debuffs.
Don't kill it yet.
Kill fire collars and then bring it. Oh, Mercs, bring it. Oh, okay. I see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Interrupt to get it back in.
Just bring it in whenever you can.
Square, or circle.
And kill.
Circle.
Yeah, kill circle. Kill slide. Kill.
Yeah, move out of
Right
here.
now.
Yep.
Primal.
Alright.
Run Foreman as we move.
Yep.
Foreman and fire caller.
We got square. Bring square. Square's on charm. Bring it.
I have the debuff, so I gotta come out and stay out.
Okay, that's fine. Kill fire collars here.
Oh, that's my back, Cadian.
Alright, I'm standing on it.
Okay.
Cadian.
On my range.
The blue.
Supreme Barrier.
Got him.
Oh yeah, top just fine. Can square.
3 buffs on Kate.
On skull.
Your fire calls are coming
Call,
up.
kill 4.
Next one's gonna be Lulzy's Revival.
You need to move in. You guys need to like be close. You two Supreme.
Nice rupture.
Next will be triangle.
Form instead.
I've got rupture on me.
Just bring it when you.
Watch the
Circle,
fire
circle
calls.
left or circle. Circle.
Fire calls is casting.
I got
We good on MCs?
Yeah, it should be for now.
Next one's gonna be Mercs and Cadian.
Holy trope.
Dispel it.
Now, Keegan.
Cadian.
What's up?
Who's next? Bring the slag over. Where it's on.
Yeah, bring it
it's
over
on
to the next one.
Resurrect, just go. We're finna without you here.
3s should be up for this shit, so. I think everyone's popping their 3s and we're one-shotting it.
Try.
Get him.
Oh, fine.
Lib,
Watch the
Lib,
fire
you're
calls.
next with me.
Keep them stunned. So Shadow Fury.
I am now
And
Lib.
you shot. Firm follow.
I stunned it.
Go ahead and bring square in, please.
I don't think we're gonna one-shot it.
Nope. We're not.
Chippen's frozen.
Yeah, shit.
It's fine, it's fine.
Coming out of the fire call.
Kill fire colors. Kill fire colors first. Cauterize.
The next slag elemental's dying soon.
I'm linking the
Burn it.
next one.
Just instantly get back on, Skull.
Try and skull, skull, skull.
Get a new one. We have a new one. It's on Hades. Get ready to go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, in a row.
Bring it out, yeah.
Go. Kill it.
Getting HP into this.
I think next fire colors are spawning.
Yep, they just
Yeah.
spawned.
On skull.
Keep him stunned. We're in the room.
I'm stunning now. Spell.
Firm follow it up.
I'm
I'll
linking
follow
the
up.
next one too.
Alright, Verm's stunned now.
I stunned it.
I will stun after.
Should swap up
Got
the
one.
fire collars.
Okay, kill fire color. And then kill us. We need a
I'm
slide.
drinking right now, I think. Move.
Okay.
Just cover dispel.
I'm gonna drink after
Triangle will be next. It's on baloney.
We'll only move.
you. Whiskey, you're gonna Devo this next one.
Oh, I have a debuff. Let me move out real quick.
Yeah, vigilance pony.
Change it to moon. Get on moon.
Alright.
Going on it. Burn. Break it out. Colors. Go
Back on
and
primal.
we'll stun. Kill him.
I'll follow up with this one.
Fire calls up.
Alright,
Can
go.
I get a
go.
bot, please?
Stunned.
Verm stun in 2, 1. And then follow.
Moving back to the corner.
Yep.
Just got
Let's go.
colors.
Finish up.
Kill fire color.
Ads.
I'll have a grip.
Boss back in the corner.
He'll get him.
I
Coming in.
still haven't had time to drink yet. I'll make time.
Everyone get back.
We got debuffs, watch it.
We're starting.
Alright, if you get mount, run to Egypt, otherwise be under the bus.
Raspbar, you're gonna smoke bomb under the bus for the night. No.
Serrated entered channel.
Going on the bot.
Just ignore security guard.
I'm taunting him. Now.
Right, bless for a while.
Okay, well, I died, that's all I asked. You died.
Preserve barrier on the bus for this one.
In 20 seconds, do you want me to rest Chippen or no?
Throw it. I'd say so.
We should link
Revival this next one.
We have 2 minutes though.
Interrupt, throw, interrupt.
Okay, solar beams down if you
Drink.
hold on.
You want anyone?
I'm moving.
Cadian, you and Mercs on next.
Should I lust for those?
I am now.
Cadian now.
What's up?
Hey, Ponton.
Tommy?
So we got it.
Well-
Do you want to rest Chippen or no?
Yes.
Yes,
get him
get
up.
him up.
Okay.
Do you want anyone cleaving, or?
No. Still target.
Liv,
You're single
you're
target.
on next with me. I am.
If you have interrupts, you
So,
taunting
Cure
in.
blood up and-
The taunting in 3, 2.
Let's move.
Pop up
Big
back-
move. Big move.
Give me a
big move.
pinch up.
Fox?
You can like re-augment Chippen.
Alright, stop. Good here.
I'm taunting Gore.
Alright, you got it. I have vigilance, use one. Off my vigilance, right?
Should need it. Just save for 8 power when it tanks.
Keep. Stance. Interrupt D6.
Moving. There's a big melt right there.
Melt
Let's
the
get run
wall.
past it.
We're running. We're hustling.
Hellstone if you're low.
Got less than 30 seconds.
Taunt when you can.
Tony? That's the
Hellstone,
vigilance.
Hellstone right now, Hellstone.
Vigilance is on it. If you're using your health, make sure you keep yourself low.
Personals right now. Whiskey Devo as soon as it's
Yeah.
up.
Next one. Stay alive, guy.
Everything you have right now just to not die.
I'm taunting in 3, 2, 1.
Pop personals. Got less than 5.
Last they said
That's big move, big move. Let's move. Lost.
last.
Plus is
I'm taunting.
keep A follow.
Ski range.
I'm gonna smoke bomb.
Solar beam.
Yeah, solar.
Whiskey sack me.
Smoke.
Melt's
Pop
gonna be right
personals.
over here on the right.
Pop everything. Oh my god.
Keep it up, keep it up.
I'm down.
Free healing.
It's on 8 ball.
Hang it for a second.
Sack me. Sack me.
Pop everything. Nice.
Good job.
Up 8.
Oh, a crossbow.
Easy,
Perfect
boss.
Fuck that boss.
That
I ain't
axe.
doing that for a cat.
Oh my god.
Tank tree.
Coin goal.
Oh, that axe.
Healing tree.
Nice job, guys.
Oh, gold.
Damn.
Look at that axe.